blues, so I think I must use the wrong music again. But this here, my best friend, we grew up, we were in a garage band for 5 years, where he was a lead guitarist and singer. I played drums and sang. We had another good best friend that was a singer, the lead singer, and then a bass player. We broke up about a year after that. Got with a guitarist named Corey Beasley from Idaho Falls, about 50 miles north of where I live. They've been together ever since. This is from about 2000, well, late 90s. This demo. Yeah, they were down in Vegas, had a couple other guys. But, alright, so, as usual, I started off mellow and got heavy. So, started off some Albert King, Live Wire, Blues Power, great stuff. Rock and roll, man. Blues, rock and roll, same thing. Heavy metal, it all comes from the same thing. The label there. Yeah, good stuff. Albert King, great live record. And then I was watching Glenn Kellaway the other day, and he had a big thing about this band, so I thought I'd throw it on, because I know Whiter Shade of Pale, but I don't know this record very well. This is Shine On Brightly. This is really great prog music. Man, killer stuff. I need to get more of them. I only have a couple, like 2 records left. I mean, this is kind of like prog, like Yes, but then add a little Deep Purple in, a little of Folk or something, but really good stuff. For some Talking Heads, Remain in Light. Good album. Hearing a lot of 80s records right now, 1980s. I'm going to be doing that later, so I'm trying to, the ones I don't know as well or I need to refresh on them, I'm trying to listen back. Normal Pie? Yeah. Steve Marriott, Peter Frampton, good stuff here. That's M&M, yeah. And this here, this is an audiophile version from Analog Studios. Man, this just blows right out of the stereo. Makes these songs all sound like they're new songs almost. Like I Put a Spell on You, Susie Q. It's Creedence Clearwater Revival, the first record. So good. Man. That pressing of that is so good. Then I heard some Saxon. Great band. Love Saxon. This is a little beat up, but the record's almost perfect. This is Strong Arm of the Law. Great record. Little Ronnie Montrose with Mach 1. This is a 12-inch single. Has just has something. I want an instrumental on it. Good stuff though. And then some. I always thought they should have made this into a double record. This is best of solo albums from Kiss. Love this stuff. I even like the Peter Criss stuff. Love all of it. Gene Simmons, Paul Stanley. Ace is the best, of course. So there's 3 songs from each member, German pressing. Should have made it 6 of each and made a double record. It would have been really cool. But killer stuff, by the way. Yeah, this is my friend's band. They're called Peak at this point. Killer shit, man. My best friend's a singer. It's so good. Man. White Snake. Ready and Willing. Killer shit here too. This one it really got good. Love this record. Book for Your Lovin'. Man, it's killer sounding press too. Amazing. Okay, and then Twisted Sister, I just did a video about them. One of my favorite bands. My second favorite record after Into the Blade by them. Killer, killer, killer. Everyone drink. Killer. Alright. And then next up, I got a new record. Blew me away, kicked my ass all over the floor. Killer shit. I was watching Scott Waters' channel and he recommended this, and I remember seeing it on his channel a few months ago, or a year or even ago maybe, I don't know. But I remember seeing it because his record company does it, and he was talking about how great it was, and I liked him back in the 80s, so it's a Banshee, Mind Slave. Man, this album kicked me in the teeth. Killer shit. First time I've heard it, I'm gonna listen to it again here coming up. But it starts with Taming the Beast, and that's just right in your face. Floodgates of Hell, man, killer. And every song's good on this. This is great heavy metal. All the metal guys out there that don't know a lot of the new metal stuff, this is one to get. This is definitely one of the best records of the last couple years. The singer is amazing. It's really cool. It's got a insert here. There's the band. George Call, the vocalist. Man, it's the exact singing I like. It's powerful. It goes high at times. Has a good melody. Great stuff. And Scott Waters actually wrote this whole thing about the band. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I agree. It's a great record. They do a song on the second side about Ronnie James Dio, like a tribute to Ronnie James. And of course, there's a video about him too. It's called Legend Lost, where they like to say the name of a bunch of his songs through it and talk about him. It's really cool. But from the first time hearing it, my favorite song was Unearthed. I love Unearthed. That was so killer. Almost Sabbath sounding heaviness at the end of it. A Full Circle, I really like that. The Phallics and Halls of Karma, really good instrumentals. I love instrumentals. Like on Music from the Elder from Kiss, my favorite song is Escape from the Island, instrumental. The Godless, it ends with a rockin'. This is heavy metal. And I knew it from like Shoot Down the Night, old Banshee, but this is heavier, better. Killer. Best thing they've ever done. Amazing. I'm so glad I got it. Thank you very much, Scott Waters, for recommending that. Very cool. Some Clutch. Pitchfork and Lost Needles. It's like really early Clutch, where they're like real doom rock, stoner rock, heavy. Check this shit out, man. So I had to play the CD because they're blocking all my records, so. This is a Clutch. Heavy killer stuff here. What would you do? This next one. This is a French band. I've never heard this. It's from that big record collection I got. Oh, I love this. Lieutenant Rock, or whatever. I think it means attack, so it's attack rock or rock attack. I don't know which. Man, this sounds like if you hear like some old Accept, a little bit of Iron Maiden, a little bit of Rough Cut, but it's sung in French. It sounds one of the most killer labels too. Look at this. Let's get more metal than this. This is a French band, Devil's Records. Yeah, good stuff. So happy to have this. And it's got an insert. It's all in French though. I don't speak French. I read it, but it's cool. Alright. Next up, Massacre. A little death metal. Like it. Listen to this. Love this stuff. The music is so good. Man. Label. Yeah, this is a reprise of an old record, but I don't have a lot of death metal, but I like death metal. Every time I hear it, I love it. And I've got a few albums. I like them all. Really good. That's some Romano, man. Romano. Don Garcia from Caius, one of his other bands. Amazing. This is the one I played on my last video. Yeah. So I gotta refill my beer. Check this out real quick. Alright. Record. I had it on cassette when it was first out. So happy to have the vinyl of it. This Japanese press.
Oh, you know what that bitch did? What she did? Oh, you know what that bitch did?
It didn't come with the Obi strip. I got it used. And a little banged up, but the record sounds amazing. Man, this is good.
She did it again. Psycho women likes me for the last time. Still thinking tired of
Right.
lies. Always asking me the question why.
So good. Wow.
It's my turn to deny.
I'm a little biased, but still, it's killer. Alright. Of course, London. Another one I thought about playing on the video, but I don't know if I'll be able to play them anymore. Just, you know, my own stuff. Gotta have some music though. Great record. Motorcycle Metal from London, England. Killer shit, man. Love this record. So, now I'm up to this. That's what I've heard already. The next ones are coming up. And this one, thank you very much. My friend Ken Squires dropped this off at my house the other day. It's pretty cool of him. And I've never owned this record, and I listened to it, and it's really good. It's A Merciful Fate with Melissa. I have Don't Break the Oath OG copy. This is a repress of this, and this is a very good sounding record on this vinyl. So that's cool. Thanks a lot, Ken. That was very cool of you. Killer record too. I really like how that sounds. Oh. Sick of You. I love this song. Check this out. No one's ever heard this except for a couple people. Right. So, I was watching Darcy, Six Strings Flying Live, who had a big thing on this band. Gonna hear this next probably. Oh man. My favorite Queen's right. I love The Warning and the first one too. Both of my three favorites. But this is one I got me into. Walk in the Shadows. Walk with me. So good. Great record. Love this. Juggernaut by Frank Marino. I will kick your head in the... Yeah. From Mahogany Rush, one of the most underrated, best guitarists. So good. He's a guitar god. No one knows about him. Frank Marino. Check him out. Juggernaut. Mahogany Rush. Any Mahogany Rush. Still stuff. So Bob Seger with Mongrel. I haven't heard this one yet. Big Bob Seger fan. I got this a while ago, so I haven't heard it. I like him a lot too, so that's gonna be cool. I like his old shit. The Heat, good power pop stuff. Good album. Heard it 2 or 3 times. Trying to get a fresh view on it. Some Dead Kennedys, Fresh Fruit for Rotting Vegetables, their debut. Love some punk. Yeah. Alright. Great funk band for Blemish from the early 70s. It's killer. And then the rest will all be metal probably. This will all hear the rest of the week and all this stuff. I like to have a couple non-metal mixed in with my metal. And this gets better. Oh my god, this next song kicks my ass. Wow, To Be Me or Not to Be Me. So good. But yeah, I'll show a couple records. Babylon AD. Man, killer. Mango the Bells. Hammer Swing Down, yeah. Great record. Tank. This is on Combat. Motorhead. Love this record. Killer shit. Wanna be me. Michael Schenker. A little more Saxon. Yeah, little fire. Can't never have too much sax in your life. Saxon are badass.
Why am I struggling? Why am I down and out? Why don't I have the answer to what my thoughts are?
Alright. Lost Boys. Lost and Found. Randy O. Listen to this album so much when it came out. Me and my friends partied with this album so much. Man, it's good. One of the most unique albums. His voice, one of the best singers of all. One of the most underrated singers ever, Randy O. Man, he's good. He was from Odin. Badass shit. Some D. Snyder. One of the most underrated albums of the last 5 years. People just missed it. You got to give this 2 or 3 listens, and as Andy Milder, or Andy Cloudy Milder would say, click. That's what it did with me, and now it's like, this is one of my favorite records of all time. Love it. For the love of metal. Hell yeah. Got some bootleg Maiden. Poliano era. Here's the track list. Trying to figure out what side this is. This is the record. Yeah. So, 4 sides of that. It's bootleg, It doesn't sound great, but it's cool to have. Alright, people. That's going to do it for today. I got some more records I'm going to hear too, but I can't play the next song. It's a cover song. So, alright. Keep rocking, everybody. Rock on!